Now let us create a clone of this. So in our case, manage clone. Next, the current state in virtual machine. Currently our virtual machine is powered off, and in our case we are going to create full clone because that will make an independent copy. If you are going to create a link clone, that means your first VM should be running, then only we will be able to use this. So we are going to create full clone. We will name it as window 2016. We are going to say that is clone, or we can see -c, mean this is the clone of 2016 server. So here we are going to again specify the path as D drive. So we are creating the clone in C drive, D drive again in same directory where we have created the virtual machine, and now we are going to say finish. So it is much more efficient. We are just going to look how much time it is going to take. When we are installing any virtual machine, it is going to take the time depending upon how much hard disk we have given, approximately 15 to 35 minutes. But the cloning process is just going to take from 3 to 5 minutes. So in our case, still the cloning is going on, so we will wait for it to complete. That means later on when we have to experiment, we can experiment on clone system, and then what we can do after we have done the experiments, we can delete those clone. So that is how you can do the practice on networking. So still we are waiting it for to complete, so still it is taking time. So again we are waiting, or what we can do, we can pause the video for some time. So now still it is taking time. It will take another few seconds. So that means our cloning is progressing. So in our case approximately 5 minutes it has taken. So now it will say that done, then we will close that icon, and if we are going to power on that clone, it will have the same setting as our original machine. So that means clone also behave like the same as was your original. So still it is taking time. So we are waiting it for to get completed. So what it is going to say, and creating clone, so preparing now it is saying done. Now you have got another icon there. So we do not need this. So what we are going to do, we are going to close this.